In this video, I'm going to show you how to add AirPods widget to iPhone. So please, before I begin, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now you want to long hold until the app starts jiggling, and from there you want to click on the plus button, and then you want to scroll until you see batteries. Then you want to click on those batteries, and basically the first one shows your current battery level, this one shows the multiple devices, and then for the all. So if I were to add widget and then click on done at the top right, and now I don't have my AirPods currently with me, but if I were to open them, they won't open up on this list. So both the AirPods and the case would be here, and I will know what's their battery level. If I want to remove this, long hold, remove widget, remove, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know in the comments down below.